Explore Autodesk Construction Cloud Connect or ACC Connect for business integration. Safe Harbor Statement. Agenda. Introduction to Autodesk Cloud Automation Tools. Introduction to ACC Connect. Integration examples. Resources. Q&A. Introduction to Autodesk Cloud Automation Tools. 3 ways to integrate and automate cloud solutions. This slide highlights the 3 main ways to integrate and automate solutions within Autodesk Construction Cloud. First, we have the App Gallery. This is a collection of ready-made integrations created by third-party developers. These apps can be directly accessed and launched from the Autodesk Construction Cloud dashboard with no need for custom coding or setup. It's ideal for common use cases like connecting ACC with tools such as Procore, BIM 360 or Dropbox. Second, there is ACC Connect, which is the main focus of this presentation. ACC Connect is a low-code or no-code integration platform powered by Workato. Think of it like Dynamo for ACC. It uses a visual interface where users can drag and drop steps to automate tasks and connect systems. It's perfect for those who understand workflows but are not professional developers. It offers a lot of flexibility while remaining easy to use. Finally, there is APS, Autodesk Platform Services. This road gives you full control to build custom integration using APS. However, it requires advanced web development skills, including authentication handling and REST API calls. What our customers built with the APS. This slide showcases just a few examples of what customers have built using Autodesk Platform Services of APS. From real-time dashboards and digital twins to full enterprise integrations and prefabrication workflows, APS provides the flexibility to connect data, automate processes, and extend Autodesk solutions. You will also find custom parts catalogs, design automation tools, and advanced AR/VR experiences. These are not just concepts, they are live solutions built by customers and partners to solve real business challenges. APS gives developers the building blocks to turn ideas into scalable, cloud-powered applications tailored to their unique workflows. And this is just the beginning. What our customers have built with ACC Connect. This slide shows just how versatile ACC Connect can be. Our customers use it to seamlessly link Autodesk Construction Cloud with dozens of other platforms ranging from Microsoft 365, Box and Google Drive to Jira, Asana, Slack and Salesforce. With a drag and drop interface, teams can automate files transfers, sync task lists, trigger notifications, and integrate data across tools without writing a single line of code. Whether you're connecting cloud storage, project management platforms, or enterprise databases, ACC Connect make it easy to build workflows that match your business needs and adapt as those needs evolve. Integrate with cloud storage. With Autodesk Construction Cloud Connect, customers can now synchronize the tools they are using for project collaboration like BIM 360 or PlanGrid, and share that data into leading cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, SharePoint, Box, Dropbox, Ignite, OneDrive, Amazon S3, FTP, and more. With these integrations, customers can automatically send documents, drawings, field reports, and contracts from BIM 360 and PlanGrid to their cloud storage solutions, and conversely, automatically upload documents and drawings back into BIM 360 and PlanGrid. Autodesk Build plus Cloud Storage Solution. With ACC Connect, you can watch for new or updated documents or drawings uploaded to shared cloud storage tools. then automatically send it to relevant projects and folders in BIM 360 and or Autodesk Construction Cloud and PlanGrid to be accessed and marked up by teams in the field. Automatically archive critical documents. Conversely, ACC Connect supports the ability to monitor for the new files and drawings in Autodesk Construction Cloud and other cloud solutions and automatically export them, including their markups, into corresponding folders in the customer's cloud storage solution of choice for archival or backup purposes. The project team never has to leave Autodesk Construction Cloud or, for example, PlanGrid to send or share this document with the Office team. Distribute critical documents to the field. This workflow example showcases how, with ACC Connect's cloud storage integration workflows, document management across multiple solutions can become entirely automated. With ACC Connect, you can watch for new or updated documents or drawings uploaded to shared cloud storage tools, then automatically send it to relevant projects and folders in Autodesk Construction Cloud or other cloud solutions like SharePoint to be accessed and marked by the teams in the field. With Autodesk Construction Cloud Connect, customers can now synchronize the tools they are using for project collaboration like Autodesk Construction Cloud or SharePoint and share that data into leading cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, Box, Dropbox Ignite, OneDrive, Amazon S3, FTP and more. With these integrations, customers can automatically send documents, drawings, field reports, and contracts from ACC and SharePoint to their cloud storage solutions and conversely automatically upload documents and drawings back into ACC and SharePoint. Introduction to Autodesk Construction Cloud Connect or ACC Connect. ACC is connected by the Workato platform or Workato platform, a leading integration and automation tool used by thousands of businesses worldwide. It provides a no-code or low-code environment where users can build workflows visually, just like creating a flowchart. This means you don't need to be a developer to connect Autodesk Construction Cloud with apps like SharePoint, Salesforce, or Google Drive. Workato offers hundreds of ready-made connectors and smart logic tools like loops, conditions, and triggers. Importantly, ACC Connect services are hosted on both American and European servers, allowing customers to meet regional data residency and compliance requirements. This slide shows the main dashboard of Autodesk Construction Cloud Connect, which is built on the Workato platform. The dashboard is the central place where users create, manage, and monitor their integration workflows, called recipes. On the left-hand side, we see the folder structure with individual or team workspaces. In this example, I've selected my personal folder where you can see the list of recipes I've built. The upper section also shows key statistics, how many recipes are active, inactive, or in draft mode, as well as connection statuses. In the central panel, you see the actual recipes I've created. Each tile gives a quick overview: its name, current status, active, inactive, execution history, and the last time it was run. Some of these recipes automate user management between spreadsheets and ACC projects. Others perform project cleanups, actions like bulk deleting users. The Create button in the top right allows users to start a new recipe or connection. Recipes can be built entirely through drag and drop components, so practically no coding is required. This interface makes it easy to manage complex automations at scale, track errors, and collaborate across teams, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. To create a connection in Autodesk Construction Cloud Connect, simply click Create and select Connection. you'll see a list of supported apps ranging from Google Drive and Autodesk Construction Cloud to Slack and Salesforce. Once authenticated, these connections can be used in your automation recipes to move data or trigger actions across different platforms. To create a connection to Autodesk services, simply search for Autodesk in the connector list. As shown here, ACC Connect supports multiple Autodesk connectors, including Autodesk Construction Cloud. Once selected, you authenticate the connection and it becomes available for use in any recipe you build. To start building a recipe in ACC Connect, click the Create button in the Select recipe. This launches the visual editor where you define the workflows, trigger, and steps. Recipes are the core of automation in ACC Connect. They let you move data, perform logic, and connect apps with or without writing code. Integration examples. Example 1. Copy an Excel file from ACC to Google Drive. We click Create, Recipe. We put the name of the recipe. Then we select a trigger. It will be first, of course, we need to select a trigger, which will be a new or updated document in my ACC project. I'm going to use my own project. I'm going to select a folder which has to be monitored. I'm selecting the new app. I'm going to use again Autodesk Construction Cloud. I'm going to download a document which will be uploaded to that previous folder. In this example, I need to know what kind of file I will be monitor and effectively downloading. Here I'm selecting a Google Drive connection. First I have to select what kind of file content and file name. This is my folder in Google Drive. It's called Autodesk Construction Cloud. And here, if I run my recipe, the file, here I start the recipe, so the recipe is running. And if I have here this example of an Excel file, I'm gonna upload it to my ACC folder, which is monitored by the recipe. And after it's being processed, so after it's uploaded to Autodesk Construction Cloud in a couple of seconds, it will be replicated and copied over to Autodesk Construction Cloud folder on my Google Drive as well. Second example, here the recipe is already made and we're gonna add multiple users saved in Excel file to an ACC project. So basically we're gonna automate a process which today is manual, and we're gonna do it in just one run. So here, this is my recipe. This is my alpha project on ACC. There's only one person, one user. It's myself. Here, I'm not gonna now explain exactly what this recipe does, but as you can see here, there is an Excel file on my OneDrive. Here I have my email, my users, including their access to design collaboration, model collaboration service. And here I'm gonna just run this recipe, and in just a matter of couple of seconds, my project will be populated with new members that have been moved from Excel sheet to my ACC project, as you can see, including their access to different services like design collaboration and model coordination, and you can control it through Excel file. So benefits of ACC Connect. For all customers, ACC Connect, it connects to all Autodesk Construction Cloud products like Build, design collaboration, Docs, and so on. It guarantees a seamless experience for end users, so basically you don't even have to touch it. It runs in the background, what is also important. So the recipes can be really, they are really run in the background. So the end user doesn't have to be, even informed that it's happening, what's happening. So no data limitations, connect across all projects, benefits for more advanced customers. It's a powerful and flexible platform. It connects to open APS databases and on-premise environments. It extended network of partners to help customers implement their integrations.